And they never did. Don't get it twisted. He never made his ties here, ever. No criticism. No criticism. I like outsourcing. Obviously, I love it. That wasn't what it was about. What it was about for me is I felt like the Black Chambers of Commerce. I felt like the economic councils. I felt like all of those organizations should be telling Black entrepreneurs, no. You don't have that. That's not how they do it. What they do is they outsource it to here. What you see, Black Americans, we know a lot about data. Another one published by us, you guys, but it's the law, you guys. As a part of Outsource Everything, but it's the law had their book done by Outs, you guys, and Outsource Everything. And this is telling them about data. You know, that right now in the Philippines, a huge situation about data privacy. The commission is huge. The situation is great and it's awesome and it's really, really huge. And the opportunity is huge because, as you know, globally, you guys, and Black folks, listen to me here, that ain't y'all typical nanny. But at the end of the day, you know what? For Black folks, it is. It is the typical nanny. We just don't know it. We don't understand it. We out of the loop. We out of the game. They're actually coming with their premiere issue, you guys, and they're putting out there and showcasing folks. This is their price list here, you guys. Really, really great. You guys can contact them. Nannypreneur Magazine, you guys. It's online, in print, and digital. Who better to tell you, especially around the world? Remember, digital publications, eMagazines and eBooks, people don't do them to be an author of a book and be in a bookstore. That's just not it. America, we still do that. It's really great. And of course, she has her own show too. So Recipes Galore is actually her show. She just came out with her new cookbook, you guys, and it is available right now. If you're watching this right now, you got your phone in your hand. This is a very powerful computer right here. You can go right to Google Play on the App Store and you can grab it right now. You can read it right now. This girl is a dream, a blessing, a beautiful soul. And this right here, you guys, check this out. This is her first spread of her book, her first recipe. That is a sister right there. That's Tahita, y'all. Tell me she ain't phenomenal. That's her first spread. You guys, this book is available soon. It is so awesome. Really, really so awesome. Her book is coming out soon, you guys, but you can go find her because I want you to meet. She is just an amazing. If you see her cook, she has a show, of course, a really great show also. And then she has her first cookbook. But if you see her cook, you see her show, you will want her book. And I think that's kind of how they discovered her, or we met up with her, is because she's in the UK. You can find her on LinkedIn. Her name is Joanne Penny, you guys. This is her LinkedIn screenshot, you guys. This is her screen. This is really her. Beautiful woman. Oh my God, beautiful woman. And she does coaching and diversity. Her book, you guys, from her in her own words, you guys, it says it'll be a discursive and practical book on how to ensure, and they're showcasing specifically Black folks in this because they want Black folks to understand and see that there's more opportunities out there. So you guys, that is Black Freedom Magazine, a really great situation popping up, and they're really working with different tourism groups to showcase that Black folks, the world loves you. And one thing that we realize and we know from the whole Black Lives Matter situation is they realized that in the day, the racism, the hate, they recently, I'm going to show you this to you guys, before they weren't digital, and they're testing the digital right now. Right now, you can go and you can look on your app and you can see the Philippines Magazine, you guys, on the app. They've recently put their first premiere edition on Google Play and the App Store. And you can see the very first edition that they published way back in the day. They're testing the market with that and they're uploading that. The reason they did that is because that publication was only a few pages and now the magazine's bigger. So they're kind of see how it works on the app. But mainly Black published, you guys, for the Philippines, showcasing the Philippines. And this publication was free when it was in print, but now that's digital. I think it's $4.99. And they're testing it to put all the other editions and to really do digital for the future. But this publication, you guys, is really, really great because what this first issue did was originally they were published from California, right? And the issue was they were printing, supporting Philippines printers, designers, photographers. The cover here, if you look, the cover was the first cover of a brown-skinned woman and a brown-skinned guy. You know, there's all this colorization in Asia, right? So that was trailblazing. And without saying, but you can read their articles online. You can go right to their website, you guys, and that is Black Asia Magazine. Black Asia Magazine, you guys, is really, really, really great. Okay, you can go right there. You can Google look online for them. You can grab them, Black Asia Magazine, and you can see more about them. But Black Asia Magazine is another one that is phenomenal that's out there for Black folks. If you're looking to go to Asia, they've got tons of interviews. They do a lot of great stuff, you guys. They showcase people. They've actually showcased me as well before, and they showcase Black folks all over Asia. And a lot of these guys, they do party planning, events. A lot of them are teachers. They're in business. They're bankers and things like that. And we need to see more of these people. And I'm glad that Black Asia Magazine does that, and Black Asia Magazine showcases these folks, and we can actually get out there and really see what these guys are doing and really understand that there's Black folks in Asia doing pretty good, you guys. The next one, you guys, this is someone that doesn't have a digital copy yet, but of course we're working on that. But you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you guys know who this is. Actually, showcases. She was on here earlier watching. I'm sure it's late in the States. She's a girl doing her thing, so I'm sure she is already in bed. She can see the playback of this. I wanted to plug her. She did not ask me to plug her. She didn't pay me to plug her. I'm plugging her because she is a bad. Okay, that's why I'm plugging her. And so I want you guys to meet her. Well, let me show you her book first, you guys. This is what I'm talking about. This right here is another Black author who was phenomenal that you guys need to have, whether you're Black or white or whatever. This girl right here, pitching, which guys like me, sales guys, marketing guys, media guys, we know that the pitch is very, very important. So when it comes down to it, what happens is the pitch changes the game. So she has a new book that's out that we just saw. We just talked to her. Came out just recently here in April. Her new book release, Pitching for Profit, you guys. She is really doing great stuff. She is helping us to pitch. And one thing that us Black folks, I'm bringing them all up here on together. One thing that you guys understand as Black folks, and I think that she speaks internationally, so she understands this. And it may be a little hard for her because when you're speaking internationally, the hard part is the language barrier, right? But the benefit is that means that you have a certain level of clients. So she's able to speak to probably more awesome audiences, more successful people abroad than she is in the States. And what we take for granted as Black folks, why I'm showing you all this. Go to her LinkedIn over here, you guys, and then go down here. This is her new book. But this one is this is the flagship. This is the one you need to get. But anyway, my point is people need our education, our insight, our pitches, our training all over the world. And there needs to be just more Black authors, more Black publishers actually out there who understand the hood is not the only market. You know, we're free. We're off the plantation. The American plantation is not the only hemisphere, not the only people that can read you. If you're already in America, go abroad. If you're abroad like me, then you market America and you market abroad. But at the end of the day, right now, one thing we know from COVID is that in the day, right now, the world is rebooted. It's changed. We know it's changed. Right now, digital is where it is at, you guys. So I want to thank you guys all here. You guys are rocking on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you for all the phenomenal views. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm sorry for the Wi-Fi signal or whatever the hell's going on. But I wanted to get these folks out here. She is not digital, but I'm trying to get Precious digital because I want her to be available worldwide, no matter who's trying to get her. One benefit is right now, go to your phone. You can grab these folks. You can grab any of these authors. I can put these lists back up, you guys. Again, you guys, Kareem Jackson live in the segment.